Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, man, I'm going to give y'all three of my favorite close-end funds. These are for income, man. You will get a little bit of growth, maybe $2 to $3 a share. Buy them low, sell them high. At the ex-dividend date is when you want to buy them. But we're going to go on through them. I'm going to start with ticker CRF, Cornerstone Total Return Fund. Alright, right now trading at $7, up 8.19 cents today, 53 cents. 52-week low is 581 with a high of 975. This gonna go back above the $8 range. Average trade value 1.21 million. That's a lot for a closing fund. P ratio 4.83, under 12, so it's under VAT value. Definitely a great time to buy. Market cap 829 million. Dividend yield, like I said, is undervalued, so you're getting a bigger dividend when the stock is at a lower price. 21.17%. Like I said, it's at $7 now. You got an upside about $2.75. We're gonna go to the dividend payout history. All right, gotta take a CRF right here, man. Dividend yield 8.9% as it's showing you, but it's the history. As you can see, June 16th, 2025, they're just showing you what it's going to pay out for the future. That stuff they already declared. But what this is, April 15, paid 11, say 11.5 cents a share. If you go down to December 2024, it was at $10.37, but $10 10 cents a share. I'm sorry, almost 10.5 cents. Go all the way down some more to December 14th. 2023, it was at 11.5 cents a share. Like I said, then it dropped to 10, almost 10.5. Now it's back up to 11.5 cents. If you was buying this thing in 2022, you got that 17 cents a share, almost 17.5 cents, which went up from 2021 from 15.5 cents, almost. I've been buying it since 2020. It was at dang near 18 cents a share then, but good thing to buy, man, if you're looking for something. Like I said, you need that monthly cash flow. This one you can go at. I did a video on yesterday with a couple more, but these are my top three favorites. All right, next we're going to go to CLM by the same company, Cornerstone Strategic Investment Fund. Trading right now is $7.29, up 57 cents today, 8.48%. 52-week low, $6.16 with a high of $9.30. Average trade value of 2.32 million, so it's double what CRF have. PE ratio is 4.67, undervalued. Market cap 1.84 billion. Now that's a bigger market cap than the other one, but with a lower dividend yield, 16.92%. I'm gonna take y'all to the payout history. All right, CLM, see 19.01% yield. You see right now it's paying 12 cents a share. You go to December 16, 2024, is at almost 11 cents a share. Go down to October 13, 2023, is at the 12 cents a share again. 2022, December 14 is at 18 cents. I've been trading 18 cents from December 14, 2021 is at 16 cents. But remember, we're going down. So they actually hiked the dividend from 16 to 18. 2020 was at 18.5 cents. That's when I started trading. So I've been owning this one for a while. And this is probably my favorite out of the three. Ticker Oxlc, Oxford Capital. I've been pushing this on y'all, man, for about the last 45 days about buying this. I sure got my shares in, but at $4.69, up 35 cents for the day, 8.06%. 52-week low 391, the high 578. Got an average trade value of 7.57 million, man. It's way more than the both of the other ones. Regular trade value 12.32 million. P ratio 5.79, undervalued. Market cap 2.09 billion. Dividend yield right now at 24.83%. Show you that payout history. 23.03%, pays out monthly. Right now, paying 9 cents a share. He hiked it from 8 cents a share back in June 14, 2024. Before that, June 15, 2023 is at 7.5 cents a share. Before that, it was at 6.5 cents a share, December 16, 2021. And before that, it was at June was at 13.5 cents a share when they reduced it back in 2020. But like I said, that dividend yield, man, you can't get it no better than that. And it's consistent. Those are my three. Payout ratio 196.41%. But like I said, just hiked the dividend from 8 cents to 9 cents. So it is what it is. These are my top three I like. I personally own like 12,000 shares of this one. I just brought it, went down to as you can see in the last 5 days, it went down to $3.94. Actually $3.92, which is the $3.91, which is the 52-week low. And even on that day when it went down, you see how it recovered, traded sideways, and now just went back up. But I captured a whole lot of that stuff at 401 and 395, 392, 405, 410, 415. I had a bunch of buy limit orders just sitting. So in the morning time when I got up, my shares were brought, and I'm looking good. I'm up like $5 now with the price at $469. So, and it's gonna go back over the $5 mark easily. So I ain't really worried about that. But that's it, man. Just want to give y'all some other options, to go for monthly passive income. Enjoy your night. Signing off, man. Go get your money.